Hi guys, this is Swapnimar here, and inside this video I'll show you the product Omni. It is the dashboard of Omni, and inside this video I'll clear you the product. I will give you a detailed walkthrough about Omni, and also my second purpose is to give you my bonuses, to show you my bonuses. You will be given good amazing bonuses from my website if you purchase it from my website. So this is a very cheap tool and also a very profitable tool if you use it properly. Okay, so I will be clearing you the tool and all other stuff. So let me start with the product now, then I will clear you my bonuses, okay, on the later part of the video. But let me start with the product now. So this product is all about giving you done for you funnels, like landing pages, like thank you pages or squeeze pages, opt-in pages, whatever you want to say, you can say like that, and you can use it to create funnel pages, and you can edit them, you can customize them. So there are so many funnels will be given to you inside the product, like done for you, like 15 to 16 funnels will be given to you, done for you, and then you can customize them for your use, for your as you use, as your choice. You can customize them and you can use them also like in any niche. Those done for you funnels that are given to you, you can use that for any niches. Okay, so let me start with the first option. The first option is create campaign. This is a dashboard and the options are given on the top side of this tool. And let me start with create campaign. Let me put any campaign name. Okay, so I am creating a campaign, and first of all there are two options you have to choose. You have to create landing page or thank you page. Let me choose the landing page, and inside landing page, as you can see, these are the done for you funnels. You can preview them, you can customize them as your wish, as your choice. You can customize them, like this is the fitness funnel, and this is the free guide 3. I don't know what is this funnel about. Like this is a everywhere usable funnel. Okay, so this is also a everywhere usable funnel. Like you can use it for make money online, you can use it for getting your clients, something like that, for your selling your courses or something like that. There are so many funnels given inside. Let me show you another thing inside, which is what is going outside. If I put inside fiverr.com funnel for funnel building, okay, so it will show the INR price, that is the Indian price. Let me change it for into USD. So if I change it into USD, it is showing me like they are charging, this is the starting price, this is not the premium price, or this is not the standard price. Okay, so inside basic price they are charging 115 bucks, inside basic price. Inside standard price they are charging 175 bucks, and for premium they are charging 300 bucks. If I show you the popular funnel builder like ClickFunnels, the pricing of ClickFunnels. Okay, so if I put the ClickFunnels rates, let me click on pricing. If I try to show you that, so it will show me that $97 per month. It is the basic price or the starting plan, and this is the most popular plan, platinum plan, and this is the Club X plan, 2,497 bucks a month. Okay, so these are really huge. You can get rid of them, you can, instead of them you can choose it, and this will be very profitable to you if you are really aware of funnel, if you are really experienced about funnel. I highly recommend you to get this tool. So this was the dashboard, and you can edit them now. Let me put here any funnel. Let me choose here any funnel, sorry. So you can customize them, you can put here your logo. Sorry, it is still loading, that's why it is not coming here. So let it be loaded. Okay, so you can put here your logo. They are also providing the facility, you can put any logo from Pixabay. Let me put here dog. I mostly prefer to type dog because dog is a 3 letters word and it doesn't take so much time to type. Okay, so I can use this image inside this logo section. Okay, I can change the background image, I can change the buttons and all other writings inside it. I can put my autoresponders here. Okay, using API or using copy paste, like HTML code copy paste, I can use that also. So they are providing the Aweber facility inside front end section. This is the front end section, and maybe inside upsells they only give you the Aweber facility. If you are a Aweber user, you can get the facility, and Aweber is one of the most popular autoresponders outside in the market, and you can use the tracking code to track your like emails, if those are coming from tier 1 countries or not, and from where they are coming, the people are the traffics you are getting, who are interested in your stuffs. Okay, so you can put here Google Analytics code also, like Facebook Pixels code if you run any ads or if you want to track. Okay, so this is the SEO option. You can put here metadata here, your description, your keywords, your page title, something like that. This is the thank you page section. Inside thank you page, you can redirect. There are two options. You can display any message or you can redirect user. Okay, if there is any issue, if you have to face any failed submission, like any internet issue or any connection problem, then what you want to do, you can select here. If you faced any failed submission, you can put here your message that sorry for inconvenience or something like that. You can put here, okay, whatever you want to. And for successful submission, you can redirect to your bonus or to your affiliate stuffs. Okay, and redirect in same window or new window. Okay, so these are very common features. And from controls, you can use the buttons. You can change the button, submit button, and you can add more buttons also. So this is the styling option, and I don't know what is styling really. Okay, so this is the browse image and change the background image. Oh, so this is the styling. This is the, you can change the background image inside styling. Sorry, so this was the options. And inside settings, sorry, I was totally wrong. You can not only Aweber they are also giving you MailChimp, GetResponse, like all of the popular platforms. These three are most popular, most used inside the whole earth for autoresponding. Okay, so you are getting also MailChimp, also GetResponse and ActiveCampaign. These are really popular. You can use them, and this is a good feature that they are giving you the statistics, like how much time people on average spending on your pages, and unique visitors, leads, referral, views, all of the stuffs given here. You can go through the trainings, every like over shoulder training given here. You can check out the training. I highly recommend you to, after getting the tool, go through the training, then you should use the tool. So some tutorial videos are given also here, and inside training they will taught you how to run ads. Like this is not a free stuff you are getting inside this tool. This is as a free stuff, but this is not a free stuff. Okay, so how to run Bing ads, how to create Bing ads, and all stuffs given here, like solo ads also. And this is the core affiliate offers. Like if you want to upgrade this, then you can upgrade it, and these are the bonuses. I will clear you the bonus also. Okay, so let me now show you the ratings, the stuffs, and also the pricings of this tool, and my bonuses most importantly. So these are the ratings of this tool, like 97% inside feature and facilities, inside performance 98%, ease of use 95, value for money 96, and market hits 95. So overall it has got 9.6 out of 10, which is an outstanding performance. And this is the price. This is very cheap. You can get this tool within just 16 bucks and 93 cents. And this is the coupons and early bird info, but no coupons are added. Still now, but if they add any coupons, if there will be any update, I will inform you. I will write the coupon codes here. Okay, and this is the early bird timing, like 11 AM to 3 PM, and after that the price will be on dime sale, like 0.01 cent on every 60 minutes. Sorry. So this is the launch period. Keep it in your mind. This is the exact date. You can get the tool within the best price, with the best bonuses. Okay, so 4th February 11 AM EST, like New York's time, Eastern Standard Time, and they are giving you also 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. You should not have any worry with the guarantee period, cause this is totally scrutinized by or inspected by Warrior Plus, the platform from where you purchase the tool. This is totally scrutinized by them, and this is the bonus. and these are the description about this tool, like quick features, like why this tool is profitable, or what you can get inside this tool. And this is a dashboard overview, and also this is a video, you can play it. There is a button hidden here, like in disguise there is a button. Okay, you can play the video, and these are the owners. In my opinion, this is a very cheap tool, and you can do more profit, you can get more profit via using this tool, via using it properly. I highly recommend to get this tool any moderate or experienced marketer, not any newbie, but any those guys can also use this, who know about like landing page or funnels. Okay, who know to run ads, who know to run solo ads, or who know to run who have traffic inside their blog posts, and they want to get converted their traffics. I highly recommend to them. And inside sales funnel, these are the sales funnel. You can get this tool, you can get the upsells also. So I have cleared you the front end, and these are the upsells. You can get the upsells details by visiting this page. From the description you will be given the link, and you can get my bonuses also from the description. Okay, so these are the sales funnel, and this is the bonus part. Now let me clear you the bonuses. So by default these bonuses are coming. Okay, so if you purchase the product from anywhere, these bonuses will be given to you, like 6 very important software will be given to you. But after purchasing the product, you will not given the bonuses inside members area. From where you have purchased, from the owner you have purchased the tool, he or she will give you a link, like this bonus link. Like I can give you the link also, but after purchasing the link will be given to you. Okay, so your seller will give the link to you, and from that link you can take these bonuses. These bonuses comes by default and with the tool. And this is my bonuses. This is the software pack, like 5 premium software pack. These are really needy software, as you can see the names here, like Facebook Video Engager. If you are a social media guy, this will be very helpful for you. If you want to build a store like MarketPresso or something like that, also ShopSpresso, something similar kind of softwares, Amazon Store Builder, Easy PR Booster updated, like paid review booster, like that can, like a Black Hat SEO paid review booster. Okay, so cautionary email marketing download also, and instant content creator, this is also a good software. And inside bonus, okay, you will be given 5 live case studies, including my recent live case study, like how I am using the free stuffs, what are the free stuffs, what are the free resources you can use for affiliate marketing as a starter, as a newbie. That will be given to you also. And these are the upsell bonuses. If you purchase any upsell from my website, if you purchase any Omni upsell apart from the front-end product, you will be given more, as the upsells are costlier. Okay, so you will be given some softwares, like 200 plus softwares, plugins, and high quality graphics, doodle images, and miscellaneous product with resell rights. You can resell them as you are the owner. And this is the button that can redirect you to the bonuses. Okay, to get this button you have to purchase this tool from this button and from my website, and after that you can get the bonuses and also all other stuffs I have cleared to you. Okay, so I think I have cleared you the product and also my bonuses. I think I should leave now. I am signing out for the video. I am wrapping up the video, so bye bye.